Hi everybody, it's Ethany and welcome to First Impressions Friday on my channel. And this week we have the Everyday Witch Oracle, which I'm really excited because I can literally reach across and grab my Everyday Witch tarot deck, which has been has been on my reading space, my decks to go to for quite a while now. It's been on there, a long time. So I have the Companion Oracle deck, and this is again done by Elizabeth Alba and written by Deborah Blake, who is quite the well-known author in pagan and Wiccan circles. Really excited to open this one. I have been holding on to this since before Christmas, so it's a nice time to open this up. So I'm going to switch over the cameras and we're going to look through the Everyday Witch Oracle. Okay, so now we're going to explore the Everyday Witch Oracle, and the box has the same design, like the beautiful blue. On the back it says, improve your craft with magic cats, pointed hats and spellwork galore. So this is very, this very much says what it is, lots of modern witches. We'll see how many pointy hats we have in this one. There's lots of pointy hats and striped socks in the other one. So no, do that off camera. It's a lot easier than trying to wrap my arms around the tripod. Give it a tender, warm embrace. So we have the box here. So it's 40 cards and a guidebook. Ooh. We all know how much I love the purple. Okay. Whoa. Don't fall down. It's not standing. The Everyday Witch Oracle box does not want to stand. Hi, Thor. Okay, so we have wisdom for the Everyday Witch. So we've got the guidebook, so we'll have a look through that. We have other side of the box. Let's see if I can if it'll stand. There we go. Did it. So we have the back. So this is larger than the tarot deck, which I'm actually going to go get to show you. So I just went and got the Everyday Witch tarot deck so you can see the difference in size. Now it's not unusual for tarot and oracle decks to have a different size. This is the tarot deck, and the backs are different too. Now we have the elemental kittens, the cats there. So I'm actually not a cat person. I don't mind cats. I've had cats before, but I'm definitely more of a dog person. But I don't mind the cats. I do get that they will be a very much of a draw for a lot of people. So here's the back. It is, let's see if it's thicker. It's a little bit thicker than the tarot card because the cards are bigger. So I'd say it's like a 330 GSM. I'm not actually mad at the Llewellyn cardstock. I feel like it holds up to a lot of my brutal shuffling, and I'm a brutal shuffler. Not gilded or anything, rounded edges, pretty normal lamination as well. Oh, okay, so from what I can quickly see, they don't have any numbers, but they look like they are in, nope, not in any alphabetical order in the deck. We'll have to have a look at in the guidebook. So connect with Gaia. A nice visualization there for learning how to ground your energy. Hibernation and regeneration. Meditation to dig deep. There's a poopy, there's a puppy. I like snoodles. Ground and center. Earth magic, that's beautiful. So salt, the crystal, and the bundle of herbs. Very pretty. Plant the seeds. So a lot of this is very, as you can see, it is modern. Like, these people look much more modern. It is very pagan idealistic, if that's the thing. Like, you know, like how we all wish that our practice could be. Like, I wish I could go out in the middle of the forest with a stone temple and work. Don't have that luxury, but it is really cute. I really like it, and I appreciate the visuals. Strength and resilience. That's just beautiful. Affirmation and growth, so an earth elemental there. It's really sweet. Prosperity and abundance. That's a good one. We like those prosperity cards. Seasonal harvest. Let's scythe, harvesting up those herbs and tattoos and everything. It's really gorgeous. Imagine and envision. Feels very Seven of Cupsy, right, this card, but I really enjoy how it's like, yes, everything that we put into our spells, into our magic, into our work and our writing can absolutely be manifested. So listening to wisdom. I love the cosmos, the cosmic colours in this, and also the raven or crow, depending on which one that is. So whispering the wisdom, as they are the messengers of spirit and magic in a lot of traditions. Meditation for clarity. So we've had meditation for, so we've got quite a few different types of meditations. I'm going back through the thingy. It was probably like one of the first ones. Meditation to dig deep was the first one. So we have another one of those meditation cards. I love this one so much. Gratitude and thanks. I saw this on Elizabeth's page. I love it. Love everything about it. Love the dress. Love the print. Love the smile on her face. Love the butterflies. Love, 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 love. Air magic. Beautiful hawk. Learn from life. That open door, the invitation. So we got someone that's like obviously got a lot of book learning, and now it's like, okay, you got to go and get some experience behind that. Prayers and wishes. And those wishes being flying off into the sunset there, or to the affirmation for acceptance. Speak your mind. Transformation and change. Sun and stars. Accept love. So meditation for creativity. So we have our, I'm sure there's going to be another one, because we like fours. Inspiration and courage. I like this one. Fire magic. Of course I like this one. It's really cool. Look at salamander. Give into passion. Follow your dreams. Affirmation for healing the heart. Give love. Oh, so sweet. I like how the flames love hearts too. Joy and delight. There's such beautiful images. Elizabeth does such a great job. They're so detailed. The hours of work that go into these. Healing waters. So we've got that. I like the juxtaposition of the dry desert behind there. And then there's a wellspring. Cleansing body and spirit. Oh, that tub with the little fishy feet. Meditation for peace and serenity. That's a really cool perspective. We don't always get that perspective in a card underwater. That's so cute. Dog. Change and progress. Water magic. Make a move. Oh, the otters are so cute. Go with the flow, and that is the image on the box as well. With the other one was before. Affirmation for positive change. Hanging up their dress to go out for adventure. I hear. Tears of joy and sadness. And rebirth and reinvention. Just going to give these little cards, well, they're not so little, but I like my oracle cards to be a bit bigger. They do fan out. One of the things I do like about the Llewellyn cardstock is it does fan out. And we've got affirmation for growth. So I'm going to tackle this guidebook now. So all of those are for Deborah Blake, about the author and artist, how to use the deck. So let's go through this. Oh, so they're done in element, which makes sense. So earth, grounding, practical action, air, thought and communication, fire, creativity and passion, and water, change and movement. Makes sense. And then how to use it with the Everyday Witch Tarot, again, makes sense. Intro, how to use the deck. So we've got different things in the cards. So a statement, action, magic, some ways you can work with it. Chapter 2, how they're divided. Chapter 3, how the cards progress. It's a little bit of reading to do. Then we've got chapter 4, sample spreads. So one card, bunch of 1 cards, 2 cards, and 3 cards. So there's build on 1, 2, and 3, and then we go into the cards here. So there's like 20 pages. I mean, this is a little mini guidebook, right? Of writing there for you to get into. So this is an earth one. So we have earth here, connect with Gaia, but you can go to the front because I'm just gonna. And that one is affirmation for growth 32. So that's going to probably, you're going to have to look at the contents page to find your card, and it looks like these just go, there's no like 1 page per one, it's just written. So that might be a little bit hard for people to find. So if you use little sticky tabs, it's probably great. Then how to use this deck with the Everyday Witch Tarot. So good for people who want to work with oracles and tarot decks. I've written a whole guide on that too, by the way, so check that out on my channel and on my blog. So affirmation for growth. Growth is necessary for life. The opposite of growth is stagnation, and no one wants to be stuck, sitting still and never moving forward. Growth takes effort, and sometimes it can be scary. It doesn't happen by itself. You have to nurture and feed it, whether it's body, spirit, or some part of your life. And then action. Take an action that will help some aspect of your life grow in a positive way. Divination. This card is telling you that it's time to stop standing still. Is there a project you've been working on? Honey, is there a project I've been working on? There's like 15 million projects I've been working on. Magic, write down a list of things you want to grow in your life. So you do get the statement, action, divination, and magic. So you get that for each card. So it's a sweet little deck. I was really, really looking forward to getting it because I do love the Everyday Witch Tarot. I'm definitely going to be using this in partnership with it. It's very, very sweet. I like the illustrations and the way it's been done. It is very, very witchy, which makes sense with the elements and how it is divvied up. So I will pop a link where you can get this in the description below. Have you been working with this deck? Do you have it? What do you think? And as always, thank you so much for watching.